Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to fix Instagram location or maps not working. So the first thing you need to do is to enable location services or to enable your location from these settings. So on iPhone you need to open the settings app as see from here. After that you need to go to privacy and security. Then you need to click on location services and turn on. Be sure that Instagram is turned on also. After that, on Android, you need to just go to the settings app, then go to location, and then turn on the location button as see from here. So the second thing you need to make sure of to grant location permissions for Instagram. So on iPhone, as I already said, you need to go to location services and scroll down till you see Instagram app. Click on it and turn on Instagram location as see from here. Click on while using the app. On Android, you need to just hold Instagram button, so just hold the app, then click on this I or information button, then hit on permissions button. After that, you need to go to locations and click on allow only while using the app. Also, if none of this have helped you, you can post content without location and then you can edit to add location onto the content. So how to do that? After you post the content, click on edit and then go to location and add the location I'll see from here. So that's actually the most working fixes for this problem. So thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.